Welcome back, Profitify fam. Today, we're plunging into the fascinating realm of crypto mining apps, a golden opportunity for those ready to earn some digital cash. So ready those virtual pickaxes as we're about to delve into the secrets of profiting from crypto mining apps. Hey there, crypto adventurers. I'm your host, and you're tuned into Profitify, your trusted channel for everything related to making money. Today, we're stirring things up with a topic that's hotter than the most recent meme coin, crypto mining apps. But hold on, what exactly is crypto mining? It's akin to being a digital gold miner, but instead of wielding a pickaxe, you're using your computer or smartphone to crack intricate mathematical puzzles. And the exciting part? Each time you solve one of these puzzles, you earn cryptocurrency as a reward. Here's the exciting part. You don't require a sophisticated setup or a computer science degree to get started. All you need is your reliable smartphone and a steady internet connection. Indeed, you heard it right. With the might of crypto mining apps, you can transform your pocket-sized supercomputer into a money-making powerhouse. But wait, before you start downloading apps, it's crucial to strategize. With a multitude of mining apps available, how do you discern the legitimate ones from those merely after your hard-earned digital coins? That's where Profitify steps in. We've sifted through the data so you don't have to. Remain with us as I'm about to reveal the top crypto mining apps that will have you accumulating Bitcoin in no time. Firstly, we have Crypto Miner. This wonder is like having your personal mining rig in your pocket. With its easy-to-use interface and comprehensive features, it's ideal for beginners eager to explore the crypto mining world. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Crypto Miner also provides cloud mining services, meaning you can earn crypto even while you're asleep. Now that's what we call passive income. Next in line is MinerGate. This app is perfect for those of you who are always on the move. With its mobile-friendly design and speedy payouts, you can mine crypto anytime, anywhere. Plus, MinerGate offers a broad selection of cryptocurrencies to mine, allowing you to diversify your portfolio effortlessly. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to profiting from crypto mining apps. Whether you're a seasoned expert or a complete novice, there's no better time to hop on the crypto bandwagon. Thanks for tuning into Profitify. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, happy mining.